三重県の高校生No.1ピザ職人を決めるピザ甲子園開催。
高校生のオリジナルピザレシピを大募集。
選ばれたレシピは青キーズピザで商品化して販売。エントリー待ってるぜ。
地震です。地震です。地震です。地震です。地震です。地震です。地震です。地震です。
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Lincoln County in south-central Mississippi, Lawrence County in south-central Mississippi, western Jefferson Davis County in south-central Mississippi, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Enterprise, or near Brookhaven, moving east at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near East Lincoln around 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sontag around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Monticello and Winona around 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Silver Creek around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. New Hebron around 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.